Hello YouTube. It is Berbizooka. This was also used by our grandmothers. Useful properties of tea from the leaves of blackberries. Blackberry leaves have traditionally been used to relieve the symptoms of menopause. But until now it was not known that he had so many medical benefits. This is becoming increasingly popular, because the mulberry well adapts to any type of soil. A recent study by the Ministry of Health of Japan showed that it contains 22 times more calcium than animal milk, and is ideal for those who suffer from intolerance to lactose or those who do not consume products of animal origin. In addition to calcium, the leaves of the blackberry leaves have many other advantages. A high level of vitamin C, which is good for bones, teeth and blood vessels. Strengthens the immune system. Therapeutic effects for the treatment of tonsillitis and pharyngitis, bronchitis. Reduces hair loss and suppresses baldness, catarrh, diarrhea. Relieves suffering from migraine and common headaches. Helps with insomnia, changes in libido and depression. Blackberry leaves also have properties that help balance cholesterol levels, fight obesity, prevent diabetes, hypertension and even cancer. Here is a simple recipe for how to make blackberry tea. 1 tablespoon of dried blackberry leaves. 4–5 cups of water. After boiling, pour the water into the kettle with the dried leaves of the blackberry, let it cool and drink without sweetening. Store tea in the refrigerator or in a thermos bottle for a maximum of 1 day. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.